My name is Sue Bays, and I'm going to be speaking at SQLBits, and I am going to be sharing how to get started with Python for data analytics. So Python is a fab language to use. It's got all these libraries that allow you to do amazing things with data. So I have a 100-minute session on Wednesday where I take you from knowing nothing about Python to learning some really cool fun stuff. And then on Thursday, I'm doing a 20-minute quickfire session on Tablet Editor, which is another one of my favourite tools for using with Power BI, and it just saves you so much time. It's absolutely brilliant. So looking forward to seeing you at SQLBits. Well, there isn't one thing. I'm looking forward to meeting lots of people that I made friends with over the last couple of years and having lots and lots of chatting, learning some really interesting stuff, sharing my knowledge, basically talking lots. I'm looking forward to the SQLBits run, so that's always good fun. And then I'm looking forward to games night because I'm very competitive and I like to win. And then I'm also looking forward to pub quiz because that's good fun. And I'm also looking forward to party, so like to party, and basically just hanging out with people that are really fun and interesting and working hard but playing hard and chatting loads and having loads of hugs and saying hello to people. The presentations I've been in before, they've just all been awesome. And there's just such a wide diversity. So I'm not going to pick. I'm looking forward to all of them. And you're not making me choose. This is a good one. Fancy dress costume. Last year I went as an archer, I think. Yeah, it was like an archer. And this one with aviation. I'm not sure yet what I'm going to go as, but I know it won't be something with wings because then I would bash everywhere. So something, I don't know yet. It's ages away, I've got loads of time. But definitely fancy dress because I think fancy dress makes a night go well. But obviously you don't have to, but aviation. So it doesn't necessarily have to be a plane, it could be a bird or something, couldn't it? Because that flies. Who knows? Don't know yet.